Okay. Hello, good evening, Bro Untung. Hey, are you there? Not yet? Okay. Hello, Sis Nika
Halo Sis Ana,
and Bro Untung. Okay. Welcome to the class. How are you today?
I'm good. How about you Sis Ana and Bro
Yes.
Untung?
Yes, pretty good today. Thank you for asking. It seems that we have no weekend ya, Sis Nika. Rasanya kayak kita nggak punya weekend ya minggu ini.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
right Sis Ana, and I feel so tired in this week
Yes.
because sedikit curhat, I
Uh-huh.
feel tired because my husband is
Happened.
sick.
Oh, okay. Right. What about now? Is he getting better now?
Yeah, and the fever is go down. Is it true
Okay.
that my grammar, Sis Ana?
You can say the fever is gone.
Oh, the fever is gone. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Or you can also say the temperature is decreased. Temperaturnya udah turun.
Oh iya, oke sisa. Decrease. Oh iya ya.
Yeah, decrease. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Sis Nika, for coming today. And for the next weekend, we will have quite long weekend, like about 3 days ya. Minggu depan, lumayan long weekend, 3 hari lumayan.
Mhm.
Okay. All right, and welcome to Bro Andri. Hello, how are you, Bro Andri?
Hello, Sis Ana. Sorry, my signal is not good.
Oh, where are you?
Yeah,
Are you at home?
oke. Siap. Oke.
Nah, apa tuh?
Halo. Oke.
Ah.
Signal oke.
Your signal is okay. The sound is clear ya, bro ya?
Ya,
Suaranya clear?
clear.
Okay, aman. Thank you so much for joining today. Beruntung says that there was something. Are you done, Beruntung, atau masih ada melakukan sesuatu yang lain? share with something. Oke, beruntung nggak apa-apa. Let me know if you are done ya, kalau misalnya sudah selesai. So for today guys, buat hari ini, wait a minute. This will be our topic. Ini adalah topiknya. We will talk about have you ever. Have you ever itu biasanya pertanyaan yang ditanyakan kalau misal Brancis mau menanyakan sebuah pengalaman gitu ya, menceritakan apakah sudah pernah atau belum. Gitu. Have you ever? So this will be our topic. We will talk a lot about experience. Hari ini kita akan ngomongin tentang pengalaman-pengalaman. It's kind of random experience, pengalamannya random. But before that, ada sedikit materi dulu ya, Bro and Sis. It's about the tenses, grammarnya. Jadi yang akan kita pelajari hari ini itu namanya present perfect tense. Seperti yang udah tadi Sis Ana bilang, kalau misalnya kita mau bilang sudah atau belum melakukan sesuatu atau sudah pernah ke sana, sudah pernah ke sini, itu di bahasa Inggris kita biasa pakai tenses yang nama present perfect tense. For example, contohnya, Sana mau bilang saya udah pernah ke Bali, gitu contohnya. So we can say I have been to bla bla blanya ini diganti Bali. I have been to Bali artinya saya udah pernah ke Bali. Atau kalau misal mau bilangnya belum pernah, tinggal ditambahin never. Never ini untuk menyatakan tidak pernah gitu ya, artinya tidak pernah atau belum pernah. I have never been to Paris, for example. Saya belum pernah ke Paris. Atau kalau misal pengalamannya lebih ke pengalaman-pengalaman, bukan hanya sekedar pengalaman sih. Kalau misal cuma mau sekedar bilang saya udah makan atau mungkin saya udah mandi gitu ya, sesuatu yang udah selesai dilakuin, we can say saya sudah pakainya verb 3. Kalau misal mau bilang saya sudah makan, verb 3-nya makan itu kan eaten ya, Bro and Sis. So we can say I have eaten. Gitu. And then ada kalau misal mau bilang belum melakukan sesuatu, kita pakai tinggal ditambahin not aja. For example, I have not taken a shower. Saya belum mandi. Tetap di sini pakainya verb 3. Gitu. This is just short explanation for today. Ini penjelasan singkat aja. Yang penting nanti Bro and Sis seperti biasa, Sis Ana akan kasih pertanyaan-pertanyaan, and then you can use this one. Nanti Bro and Sis bisa pakai format-format ini untuk menjawabnya. Untuk bilang sudah pernah atau belum pernahnya. Gitu ya. Oke. Let's jump to the question. Oh, ini ada contohnya dulu. Nih, ada contohnya. And probably I would like to ask Sis Nika dulu deh. Can you please read the example, Sis Nika? Kalau bisa sambil diartiin. Kalau bisa.
Oke, Sis Ana. I have eaten. Aku sudah makan.
Mhm,
I have taken a shower. Aku sudah mandi.
mhm,
She has been to Bali. Dia perempuan sudah pernah ke Bali.
mhm,
I have not married. Aku tidak menikah. Tidak pernah menikah.
mhm,
Maybe.
mhm,
I have never been to Jakarta. Aku belum pernah pergi ke Jakarta. I
mhm.
never, ya. I have eaten meatball. Aku sudah pernah makan. Meatball itu bakso ya?
Iya,
Meatball.
bakso, benar. Yes, that's right. Meatball is bakso. Thank you so much, Sis Nika. Good.
Thank you, Sis Ana.
Yes, and then Bro Untung, could you please read the example? Boleh dibaca dulu example-nya sambil diartiin kalau bisa.
Oke, Miss. I have eaten. Saya sudah makan. I have taken a shower. Saya sudah mandi. She has been to Bali. Dia sudah pernah ke Bali. I have not married. Saya tidak menikah. I have never been to Jakarta. Saya belum pernah ke Jakarta. I have eaten meatball. Saya sudah makan bakso. That is it, Miss.
Good. Yes, thank you so much, Bro Untung.
You're welcome.
Alright, the last one, Bro Andri, boleh tuh.
Oke, sis. I have eaten. Saya telah makan. I have taken a shower. Saya sudah mandi. She has been to Bali. dia sudah ke Bali. I have not married, saya belum menikah. I have never been to Jakarta, saya belum pernah pergi ke Jakarta. I have eaten meatball, saya telah makan bakso, saya sudah makan bakso.
Okay, good job. So, the next yang selanjutnya, let's move to the question. Kita ada beberapa pertanyaan as usual. For the first question, I would like to ask Sis Nika dulu. First question, Sis Nika.
Yes.
Yes, have you ever cheated on an exam?
Oh, have you ever cheated on an exam? Ini maksudnya nyontek ya?
Yes, that's right. Nyontek, curang, cheated.
Oh, I have not cheated on my exam because when I have some exam, my teacher so discipline and apa ya, mengawasi lebih ketat sih sana.
Mengawasi, you can say this one. Watching out atau bisa juga supervise.
Watching out for all students in the class. Because
Okay,
my teacher is a killer.
Oh, okay. So you are afraid to do that. Okay.
Yes.
What is the consequence if you
Uh,
guys cheating?
the consequence is all the student remedial or the remedial or diusir apa ya?
Okay.
Diusir dari kelas. Ya.
Okay. Go out.
They'll go out for class and their parent is
Cold.
calling yeah. Call and memberitahu give apa ya? And told their parent that the student is cheated. It's right,
I see,
Sis Anna?
I see. Yes, the student is cheated.
Yes.
Okay, alright. Tadi ada apa ya, Sis Nika? Diberitahu ya. You can say this one. Told. The parents are told. Diberitahu. So, orang tuanya diberitahu. Yes, okay. So, are told, diberitahu about this something that has happened at school. So, is that ever happened?
Maksudnya saya?
No. Other student.
Oh, yes. Ada. My
Okay.
friends and he's always cheated and to other mata pelajaran yang lain. But the day is bad luck for him.
Okay. All right. And that's the things is happen. So, the
Yes.
whole student should retake the exam. Jadi semuanya harus remedi.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because of that 1%. Hanya karena satu orang ya, Sis ya?
Yes.
I see. Okay, lumayan ketat juga ya, Sis ya. Strict.
Yes, that's true.
Strict rule. Aturannya ketat.
Because when I was senior high school, I'm apa ya? Jurusan IPA. Apa ya?
Okay. Science.
Yes, science.
Science. IPA itu science. Okay, nice. Thank you so much, Sis Nika.
Thank you, Sis Anna.
Yes, okay. Oh ya, tadi remedial we can say retake ya. Retake the exam. Jadi ngerjain exam ulang.
Okay.
Okay, the next question number 2 for Bro Untung.
Yes, I am, Miss.
What movies have you seen in the last 3 months?
What movies have you seen the last one? I haven't seen movies in the last 3 months. Sis.
Oh, really?
Ah, I didn't uh, I have not went I haven't went to the bioscope or uh,
Mhm.
uh, or cinema. I decided for never go there.
Oh, okay. What about watching in your screen, for example, on Netflix or on TV?
Uh, in my house, I have a TV.
Mhm.
I have the I have there are two TVs, but I never turn on in my house because uh,
Oh,
yeah,
why?
right. There are many channels. It's not education.
Ah, okay, okay. So you think that it is not interesting
Yeah,
to watch?
yes, yes.
Yes, okay, all right. So what was the last movie you seen, bro?
I
Maybe a long time ago,
I
last
forgot.
year?
Yeah, I forgot. Maybe some some years ago.
Mm.
Yeah, I forget one the last I I apa watch the movie. Sis.
Mm. Okay, so it's been a long time ya, bro ya?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Sudah lama banget. Ya, okay. So I guess that you are typical of person that not really enjoy the movie, nggak terlalu suka film.
I interested
Mm.
watch the movie, but I uh I thought the were apa istilahnya itu mudaratnya from the positive to my uh, my my life or my
Mhm.
so I decided to uh, not go there and watch the
Mm.
as like that, Miss.
I see, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so for mudarat you can say negative impact atau boleh juga disadvantages atau boleh juga pakai drawback. Itu semuanya artinya sisi negatif.
Okay, Miss. Thank
Yes,
you.
okay. Thank you so much, Bro Untung.
Yes.
Alright, tadi ada it's been a long time ya, Bro ya. Udah lama banget. And then kalau misal mau bilang beberapa tahun yang lalu, it's better you can say few years ago. Sebenarnya boleh pakai some, tapi agak kurang umum dipakai. Jadi lebih umum pakai few years ago, beberapa tahun yang lalu.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Your
Okay, ya. Anytime, Bro Untung. Okay, the next yang selanjutnya we have Bro Andri. Oh, ini agak aneh ya pertanyaannya. Have you
Yes.
ever fallen asleep while taking a bath? Beruntung maybe you are berendam gitu ya, and
Yeah.
then you fall asleep in a
Have,
bath.
have you ever fallen asleep while taking a bath? No, I have never fallen asleep while taking a bath.
Mhm.
Mm, Because I think when our body touch water,
Mhm.
I think my body feel refreshed. It's
Mhm.
not make you uh sleep ya.
Mhm. Okay, yeah, but sometimes there are some people that like to probably fallen asleep while they taking a bath. Taking a bath tuh lebih ke yang di bathtub gitu ya. Jadi
Bathtub,
karena di
oke.
bathtub sambil tiduran, dia tiba-tiba ketiduran. So you have never experienced about this. But I do agree with you, Bro Andri, when our body wet because of water, it will make us feel refreshed again.
Yeah.
And sometimes taking a bath before going to sleep, going to bed, it makes it will harder for us to go to sleep, right?
Ya,
Dia bikin susah tidur kalau kena air karena jadi seger lagi kayak mau
refresh.
beraktivitas
Jadi
lagi.
ya refresh our. I feel
Yes.
refreshed.
So refresh again. Are you typical of person that taking a shower before go to bed, Bro Andri, sebelum tidur?
Yeah, always.
Always.
Before before go sleep, I always do take a bath.
Mm-mm.
So
So it is
take a shower.
take a shower.
Take a shower.
Gitu. Nah, kalau take a shower mandi yang pakai shower, kalau take a bath mandi yang di bathtub.
Yeah, take a shower.
Gitu. Kalau mandinya pakai gayung apa ya kira-kira?
Take gayung.
Take a gayung ya.
Take gayung.
Boleh. Okay, thank you so much, Bro Andri.
Welcome, sis.
Okay, the next for Sis Nika again. Balik lagi karena hanya ada bertiga di sini. Okay, Sis
Okay.
Nika,
Yes.
have you ever met a celebrity in person ya, kayak secara langsung?
Oh, I think I have not met a celebrity, Sis Anna,
Okay.
because my circle is so far from around the celebrity or maybe celebgram or ATC. I don't have a circle that.
Okay. What about if you met them indirectly, secara nggak langsung? For example, you go to the mall and then they just pass by, kayak lewat doang.
Oh, I think I remember I have been to airport Cengkareng, Jakarta, and then I'm berpapasan apa ya, Sis Anna?
You can say met.
Met, but it's too far.
Oh, okay.
And
Who
I
is that?
see, I don't know, Sis Anna, but I see so many people and the journalists to reach the artist, but I don't know who is that, who is the artist, and
Okay.
maybe it's orang pemerintah, government ya,
Government.
or selebgram, or I don't know.
I see. So it's kind of famous people because a lot of
Yes,
journalists around there.
yes, Sis Anna.
Okay. So if you could meet one celebrity or celebgram, who would you meet, Sis Nika?
I think a celebrity Indonesia, I gimana ya? So far I really fans to singer something for Lady Gaga, Bruno Mars, but in Indonesian celebrity I don't know, Sisana,
Oh, okay.
because I
You have
like their singing, or I'm big fan of them. By the way,
okay. So you like Lady Gaga
and Bruno
and
Mars.
Bruno Mars.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. Have you ever going to a concert or something like that for meet with your idol?
I wish I met my idol someday, Sisana.
Hopefully someday ya. Previously you
Yes,
mentioned about airport in Cengkareng, and I just remember that Soekarno-Hatta is in Cengkareng ya. Sisa baru ingat airport Cengkareng, emang ada ya Soekarno-Hatta ya.
yes, yang Kareng.
Oh ya 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 ya.
Iya, cuma ingat Cengkareng aja sih sana. Lupa kan ada dua tuh, Soekarno sama Halim ya.
Iya, Halim. Halim is
Hmm.
in East Jakarta, Jakarta Timur ya.
Oh iya ya, East Jakarta.
And the one Soekarno-Hatta is in West Jakarta, Jakarta Barat. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Sis Nika.
Thank you, Sisana.
Yes. The next question. Oh, we have newcomers here. Ada pendatang baru rupanya. Halo, Sis Umi. How are you?
Hello, sorry for coming late. Fine, thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Yes. Welcome to the class, Sis Umi. This is the question for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Which cities have you been to?
Bali.
Okay. And then?
In which year? Bali is around 2-3 months like that. I ever work as a pasang manik-manik.
Oh.
How to call it? Manik-manik.
Accessories?
Yeah, accessories put in the t-shirt and then become bling bling. Sometimes put in ini ya, kerudung ya, panjang. Craft
Veil.
what? Veil. Oh yeah. I feel the experience very nice. I feel happy because every month we receive a salary. Then we go holiday and then we shopping. Receive money is around maybe 400 or 300 and then I bought. Beli itu apa? Misalnya sudah terbeli bought.
Bought.
Gimana? Hah?
Bought. Yes.
Bought.
Yes.
About. Kalau satunya about. Tempat.
Tempat.
Sometimes I'm a bit confused in the sentence that almost the same. Beli, buy. Sudah dibeli, bought.
About. Kalau yang satunya tentang about.
Ya, tentang about. Bought. I bought sarung ya. Sarung. And then shirt. Baju. Kemeja Bali. How to call it kemeja Bali?
T-shirt. Balinese t-shirt.
Balinese t-shirt ya. Oh, okay. Yep. Balinese t-shirt. And then we go around Bali. Then I feel happy. After that, I have no choice because I have to go work to Malaysia.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. I have around 2-3 months like that, but I feel happy.
Okay. What year was it? What year was it?
What year is around 20? It's around 2000 like that lah.
2000.
How old are you? Is around that years you born?
2000 and 2000 berapa?
2000. I didn't remember exactly years in which year, but I remember start in Malaysia is 2001. That one is on July.
Okay.
It's around the year. Yep.
Okay. I was just turned 1. Susana baru umur 1.
Oh, you born in 2000. I mean 2000 ya?
2000. Kalau 2000 itu 2000. Kalau 2001 you can say 2001.
Yeah, 2001. You no means you 25 years old?
Yes, I am.
Is your birthday this month?
No. My birthday is on the 3rd month.
3rd month means March?
Yes, it is. Okay, all
So happy
right.
birthday,
Mhm.
Mas.
Oh, thank you so
And
much. It's been a while, udah agak lama, but thank you so much. Okay. Ya, so this one ya, Bro and Sis, kalau misal mau menyebutkan tahun 2000, itu kita bisa bilang 2000. Kalau 2001, 2001.
2001.
Yes, kalau misal 2025, we can kadang
2005.
boleh 2025 atau boleh juga kayak ada spasinya di sini. Jadi 2025. Kayak dipisah 20, 25 gitu. 2025 itu juga boleh. Okay. The next yang
Miss Anna,
selanjutnya. Iya,
I have a question
oke.
about present perfect tense.
Mhm, mhm,
For the example,
mhm,
saya tadi sudah minum kopi.
mhm,
I have drunk coffee. Is it true?
mhm. Drink, drank, drunk ya berarti. Coffee. Yes.
How about dia mabuk semalam?
Oh,
Berarti
oke.
drunk itu kan pemabuk juga nggak sih artinya?
Iya, benar. Drunk itu artinya mabuk. Kalau misal dia mabuk semalam, itu kalau misal kejadiannya yang udah lampai, berarti pakainya past, sis. She was drunk. Karena drunk di sini ini bukan sebagai verb, tapi sebagai adjective. Gitu.
Oh,
Mabuk.
kata sifat ya.
Ya, benar. Jadi kalau yang di
Kalau
sini ini dia verb,
kata
verb tiganya
kerja.
dari drink. Iya, kalau yang ini dia
Oh,
iya, gitu.
I see, sis.
So it's
Berarti
different ya.
kalau present perfect tense ini yang drunk itu karena ada have-nya ini ya yang menyatakan kata kerja.
Benar.
Oh,
Have itu kalau misal I ya, kalau misal
iya,
subjeknya he it, itu berarti pakainya has.
Oke. Oh, tergantung to be-nya berarti ya sama dia
To
past tense
to
atau
be-nya
present.
tergantung subjeknya.
Oke, sis Ana. I
Okay,
get it.
alright. Yes, you're welcome, Sis Nika. Happy to explain. For the next, probably we have 20 minutes. Kita ada 20 menit. It's better if you discuss more about this in the breakout room ya. Di sana kasih waktu untuk bergosip pria di breakout room. You have 5 question left. Masih ada 5 pertanyaan, and I will send it to our chat group as usual. Since is there only 4 of you, karena hanya ada 4 orang, I will only make one breakout room. Okay, you can get there right now, Francis.
Halo, sis.
Alright.
How
Hello.
about next level, Sis Ana? Are
How
you
Yes,
about?
Susanna. How about all
next
the
level?
level, our
You
level?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
you,
What
you
is the
still
result of your test?
you
Kemarin gimana
still you
hasil?
still
I have
teach
been
us
Apa-apa, Bro
Oh,
Andri? I still?
when we get the next level,
Mhm.
you still still teach us or the
Uh,
different teacher?
Actually, it depends, tergantung. Do
Um,
you want me to be your tutor again?
of course, why not?
Okay, okay, okay. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, you may request for the tutor,
Mm-mm.
but there is a minimum number of member. So, kayaknya ada minimalnya kalau misal mau request tutor yang sama. Misal entah 5 atau berapa member gitu. Kalau misal ada yang request 5 orang pengen tutor yang sama, itu bisa dialokasikan sama admin. Nanti dijadwalin untuk handle kelas ini. Gitu. Coba nanti ditanyakan aja ke adminnya. Miss
Okay.
Elsa kalau nggak salah. Ya.
By the way, Sis Ana, semalam kan aku sudah coba tes tuh yang dari link di grup.
Oh
Hasil
ya.
tesnya itu aku intermediate, Sis.
Oh, oke.
Jadi
Berarti sudah bisa nanti join
B1
intermediate.
almost B1 sih, kalau B2-nya masih sedikit.
Oh iya iya. Berarti
Aku
sudah cocok join intermediate.
coba untuk
Intermediate.
yang buat
check.
employee yang karyawan gitu ya.
Mm-mm.
Itu lumayan susah ya soalnya ya.
Iya,
Iya.
employee,
Iya.
yes,
Untuk yang
I
kerjaan
remember.
itu kayak
Heeh.
dari 10 soal kayaknya gue separuh cuma bener ya. Karena hampir
Yeah,
deket jawabannya hampir sama ya.
yeah, because it's actually for business purposes. Karena itu
Yes,
kan kalau yang buat karyawan itu biasanya English for business
English
ya. Jadi
ya English for business
levelnya
ya.
sudah beda lagi.
Oh, English for
Oh,
business.
English for business
Mm-mm.
is very difficult, I think.
Yes, jadi kalau di speaking partner itu ada juga English for business. Jadi setelah Bro and Sis Advanced 3 itu nanti ada English
Oh,
for business. Jadi atasnya
after
advanced gitu.
advance. Oh,
Ya,
oh, after advance yang sampai ke 6 itu ya,
ya,
Sis Ana.
oke, salah pilih
that's
kita.
benar.
Salah jawab.
I want to choose what? I haven't choose anything. So for me, suitable which area? I haven't.
You
I
you
haven't
you you can try the test.
test. Okay.
So have you
And then
tried? Udah coba yang kemarin link
In
dari
group,
di sana?
in
orang
group.
aku nungguin orang sampai gini-gini jadi nggak sempet.
Oh ya, boleh nanti dicoba aja kayak Sis Nika tuh sudah tahu berarti levelnya ada di intermediate B1
Oke,
tadi.
I will
Ya,
try.
nanti
I will
dicoba.
try.
Hmm.
Kemarin
But,
langsung mundur pas lihat soalnya.
Iya.
Waduh.
Hmm.
but Sis
Iya, karena
Ana,
itu ya.
aku tuh rasa kurangnya itu di cara menjawab dari native speaker-nya sih.
Hmm. Cara menjawab dari native speaker dari pertanyaannya maksudnya.
Iya,
Listeningnya gitu, kayak
iya.
belum nangkep pertanyaannya. Oke.
Sebenarnya tahu sih, cuman
Tuh.
bingung,
Mm-mm,
masih
mm-mm.
takut salah, terus juga kadang kurang
Oh
jelas
iya iya.
spellingnya tuh.
Iya iya iya. Karena emang kalau pertanyaan itu dari native speaker kan mereka ngomongnya cenderung cepet ya, nggak yang kalau
Mm-mm,
Susana
iya,
kan ngomong di kelas itu memang di satu kata gitu per kata
iya,
pronunciation-nya jelas. Kalau kalau mereka kan langsung aja nah, gitu.
iya, benar.
Iya, jadi memang harus dilatih listeningnya juga Nika.
Untuk
Iya.
ini Sis Ana, kalau untuk cara praktis untuk menambah vocab ya. Maksudnya saya sudah
Heeh.
coba tuh ketika kita menghafal itu cenderung lupa. Kadang juga
Mm-mm, benar
ketika
sekali.
apa ya, kayak misalnya Sis Ana udah share itu. Cuma kan nextnya itu saya lupa
Iya iya.
gitu loh.
Oke oke. Sebenarnya kalau misal metode belajar it depends on the people, tergantung orangnya, depends on the person itself. Kalau Sis Ana sih lebih suka itu misal mendengarkan atau membaca atau kadang kalau misal emang lagi gabut gitu ya, make kayak conversation with myself. Sometimes I try to think in English. Kadang sis Ana mencoba untuk misal lagi ngelamun gitu ya, memikirkan sesuatu, itu berpikirnya itu dalam bahasa Inggris. Kadang kayak gitu kalau misal memang bisa gitu. Misal, oke, after this I will go to the store gitu contohnya. Oke, abis ini aku mau ke toko deh kayaknya. Gitu. Kayak gitu-gitu tapi ngomongnya pakai bahasa Inggris sama diri sendiri. Itu juga lumayan membantu kalau untuk sis Ana. Cuma tiap orang kan pasti beda-beda metode belajarnya ya. Ada yang lebih suka mungkin dari nonton video, ada yang lebih suka dari ngedengerin musik, ada yang lebih suka dari membaca. So it depends on the person actually.
Iya. Kalau misalnya kayak gini, sudah coba sih sis. Misalnya kalau nonton gitu secara overall ya, secara general atau cara orang ngomong, kita tahu maksudnya. Tetapi ketika katanya per kata kita tuh nggak paham arti perkatanya itu yang jadi kayak kadang saya misalnya dapat nih email, dapat ketemu apa tuh ada kerjaan gitu, saya baca tuh, oh tahu nih dia maunya apa gitu. Nah
Ah,
cuma
oke.
kan kadang ragu untuk bener nggak katanya ini gitu loh artinya ini gitu.
Iya, 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 iya. But as long as you understand the context, I think it's okay. Selama ngerti konteks keseluruhannya, kalau misal memang untuk keperluan bisnis, yang penting ngerti konteks keseluruhannya, walaupun mungkin ada satu atau dua kata yang masih kita nggak tahu artinya, I think it's still okay. I mean like this is you are still on a learning journey, jadi masih dalam perjalanan untuk belajar, and there is no shortcut for learning new
Iya.
language. Jadi nggak ada
Oh
cara
ya ya
singkat
ya.
untuk belajar
Nggak,
bahasa baru.
kadang-kadang
Jadi
nggak sadar
memang
diri ya, sudah jarang masuk, mau cepet bahasa Inggris ya.
yeah, there is no shortcut, nggak ada jalan pintas.
Oke oke
Karena
sih.
memang semuanya juga butuh proses.
Bertahap ya.
Yes, exactly. Nggak bisa langsung jago dalam semalam.
Berarti basicnya dulu harus didalami dulu ya.
Exactly, that's right.
Gimana mau nyusun
Betul.
kalimat kalau masih grammar atau apanya masih kacau balau. Iya.
Betul. Yes. Oke, Francis, unfortunately sudah jam 9 ya, so I have to end this class. Nanti besok kita lanjutin lagi ngobrolnya ya.
Oke, Sis Ana.
Oke, alright. Thank you so much everyone for coming today. See you
Bye bye.
tomorrow.
See you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye.